Come along, it's time to play. Join the fun in the animal parade. First up, the elephant's big and gray, marching along in a friendly way. It's an animal parade. Come and see all the creatures, wild and free. Dance and sing, let's join the cheer. In our animal parade, we're all here. Next we have the monkey swinging high, climbing trees and reaching for the sky. With their playful giggles they leap and play, joining the fun of the animal parade. It's an animal parade, come and see all the creatures, wild and free. Dance and sing, let's join the cheer. In our animal parade, we're all here. Now here come the lions with their mighty roar, strutting with pride, who could ask for more? And the silly penguins slide on the ground, watching the fun of the animal parade. It's an animal parade, come and see all the creatures, wild and free. And the creatures, wild and free. Dance and sing, let's join the cheer. In our animal parade, we're all here. So wave your hands and stomp your feet. Join the animals, let's move to the beat. Together we'll celebrate, dance and play in our wonderful, wacky animal parade. It's an animal parade.